Hey, it's Killer Man K666 again, and we're going to play some Subwaysurfers. Let's play Super Game War. Sorry it's so laggy, it's probably because I'm recording. It's awesome that I actually found I was trying to download something like this for a while actually. Oh. Do 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 do. At the end of this run, I'll show the best way to unlock fresh, if you guys want them. If you guys want to know how to unlock fresh pretty easy, I'll show you as soon as I die. Ugh, are you joking? The best way to unlock fresh is by getting a lot of coins and buying mystery boxes. Sometimes, see? Right there. I got 19 more to unlock. That's what I just keep doing. Yeah, so this is K-Dog Gaming. Actually, I might actually look, where am I? I'm in bronze. That sucks. Well, anyways, yeah, I'm gonna get a little bonus footage on a different game. The Walking Dead Road to Survival. Jeez. Get all the stuff. Okay, and that road map. Let's do the first thing. This. It's my characters. Let's do this. Turn the volume down a little. Yeah. Sometimes I hate that when just the walkers just come straight to you. No matter what. Just hate it. It's annoying. Yeah. You dead. You dead. You dead. Oh! Swearing. Oh. 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 Let's unbox. There. See what we get. Ugh. Ugh. Joking. That sucks. We got nothing. Yeah, whatever. Go to town. Go to inboxes. Messages. And whatever. Anyways, yeah, that's all we have today. It's K-Dog Gaming over and out.